The big question, should you renovate or should you move? Hi, I'm Scott Neal, the broker of Scott Neal Real Estate in Richardson, Texas, and we help people buy and sell homes in and around the DFW area. And what people want out of a home today has significantly changed over the last year and a half since COVID kicked off in 2020. And according to the American Institute of Architects, their quarterly home design trend survey, 70% of people right now are saying that they want outdoor living spaces. 69% of people say they want a home office. 48% of people say they want multiple offices in their home. 46% of people said that what they would really desire is to have some flex space or a second living room or something like that. 42% of people said that they would like to have an in-law suite, and 39% of people said that they would really prefer to have a home gym. And so if you're finding yourself being one of these people who are desiring to have some different amenities than what you currently have in your home, you're going to have to ask yourself two questions. One, would I prefer to renovate? Or two, would I prefer to go ahead and sell and make a move? Either way, you're going to need money. Home equity is skyrocketing. The record-setting increases in home prices over the last 2 years dramatically improved homeowners' equity. This graph uses data from CoreLogic to show the average home equity gain in the first quarter of the last 9 years. So if you've decided that what you'd really prefer to do is stay in your home and renovate, there are a couple of things that you need to be aware of. Number one, living in a construction zone is terrible. So make sure that you really love where you are right now and that you're really going to love the home after you make those renovations, especially if they're extensive renovations. And if they are so extensive, you might have to get temporary housing in order to do that. So if you've got the cash, tap into the cash. But if you're going to need to tap into your equity, you might want to know a few things. Number one, what are the different types of loan programs out there for me to tap into my home's equity? And number two, what's my home worth in today's market? Because what you can borrow off it is certainly contingent upon what that home is going to appraise for. So if you would like to get a free home evaluation on your property, no strings attached, no obligation. This is simply just if you're curious to know what your home might be worth because you're thinking about renovating, you can do that on our website. Just go to our website at mydallashomefinder.com/value, and there you can get a free home evaluation. But what if you're one of the people who've decided you don't really want to live in a construction zone and you don't want to renovate, and you know what? This might be the perfect opportunity for us to go ahead and take advantage of the market and go up in home. Well, we have a couple of really cool programs for you, namely our trade-in program. If you are one of the majority of people who must sell their home in order to be able to purchase the next one, we have a great program called our trade-in program where we will come and buy your home at full market value so that you can move on and find your next home first, so you're not homeless and you don't have to make any contingent offers. So if that is something that is exciting to you and that you would like to look into, please give us a call at our office. Our number is 469-998-3322. Or as I said, you can visit our website and get tons more information at mydallashomefinder.com. Either way, we look forward to serving you soon. So thanks and happy buying.